So this is divided into living and dining area. So here comes the kitchen area. They have set a L-shaped beautiful space with a bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Prestige Southern Star project, which is located in Bannerghatta, Bengaluru, a project by Prestige Group. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK sample flat. But before that, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project and you can complete your booking process as well. Now about the land parcel is over this side where the construction work is going on. Now, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, which will result you in too many phone calls. Well, we're in Housey, we are here to connect you directly with builders because the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. So this is your 32.5 acres of land parcel where they are coming up with total 14 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 26 and 27 floors. And in this project you will be getting 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now we'll be talking about the amenities. So this project has luxurious amenities like of 70,000 square feet of clubhouse, 3 swimming pool, kids play area, senior citizen area, jogging track, and this project has 80% of open space as you can check. And even there are many more amenities in this project. Now let's talk about the location part. So basically this project is located in Akshaya Nagar Bannerghatta Road in Bengaluru. Now let me tell you that you can connect towards AB Road from this side. About the further connectivity, so Bannerghatta Road is in 3.3 kilometers of the project, D-Mart Bannerghatta is in 3.5 kilometers away from the project, and Hosur Road is 3.8 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's check your 3 BHK of 1812 square feet sellable area. So this is the main entrance of your beautiful house, and once you enter you can check out the digital door lock for your security purpose, and this is the foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter, you can check out your spacious living and dining area. So this is divided into living and dining area. This part will be the living area where you can set your couch and sofa set. And even here they have provided a TV unit space. Now let me show you the beautiful part. So this is your balcony. The beautiful part of your house, the balcony with iron railing. And this balcony will be 3-side covered. Additionally, it has wooden finishing flooring. Now we'll move further towards your dining and kitchen area. So as mentioned, living area is divided into 2 parts. So this part over here, you can utilize it in a dining area and you can set your dining table over here. Isn't it spacious, right? Now exactly beside that is the entrance of the kitchen area. So here comes the kitchen area. They have set a L-shaped fitted platform, and once again here is a platform for the sink, and over here is a utility area with a window. This is a utility area where they have provided the washing machine provision, and again you can check out the cabinets and the modular work done in the kitchen area as well. Now we'll be moving further. So as this unit is in butterfly concept, your guest bedroom is on my right hand side and other 2 bedrooms over here. So first let's check out your guest bedroom. That is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter, here comes the space, the beautiful and the cozy space. With the bed space, here is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room, and exactly opposite to that is the wardrobe space. And over here is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Here the sink is provided inside the washroom itself. Now let's move further towards another bedroom. So as mentioned, this bedroom are on the other side of the room. So walking through your living and dining area, here we come. So on my left hand side is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So this is your bedroom number 2. You can check out the work over here. As per the interior, you can check out that this is the kids' bedroom. And here comes a 2 window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this bedroom. So isn't it beautiful, right guys? So we'll move further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you what all features Housey is here for you all. So Housey brings with the actual location tool, with the sample flat videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and last but not least, that is the 360-degree location tool. All these features on the Housey.com, so you just have to do one thing, that is go and register on Housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now, just beside this bedroom is the master bedroom. So this is the entrance towards your master bedroom. You can check out, there's a lobby space for your privacy, and in front comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this is your beautiful space with a bed space, and this bedroom comes with the balcony. This is the balcony, the beautiful balcony, or else a sitting area you can call it, with anti-skid wooden finishing tiles and with iron railing over here. So this balcony gives you 2-side open view, and you can enjoy beautiful scenic view from this balcony. Now exactly in front of this balcony, you can check out the wardrobe space. So this is a huge wardrobe space and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room. And now this was all about your 3 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And so now, as you all know, we are in Bannerghatta Road location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below again. And if you are looking for more details of this project, all is provided in the I button. And lastly, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.